Hey everybody, this is Maria with EatCleaner.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make fruit flavored water. When you think about it, I mean, everybody knows that soda's not good for you. So if you can take the fruit essence and add a little spice to your water, there you have it. You've got your nutrients, you've got refreshment, and you've got little to no calories. So let's get started. I've got two different ways to show you here today. I've got the soda stream, but we're not making soda today. We're gonna make fruit flavored sparkling water. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use. I've got my bottle in here. I'm just gonna pump it 3 times, get the carbonation. And that's pretty much it. I've got the carbonation in the water now. Just gonna unscrew that. And what's nice about sparkling water is, again, you've got that fizz without the calories. And then I picked out the blackcurrant and pear flavor. I've also got grapefruit, but they come in so many different grapefruit flavors, you can just mix it up with seasons. And instead of adding the whole cap full, I'm just gonna add literally like a fraction of that, maybe 1/8 of a cup. So it's just going to give it an essence, just going to give it a little bit of flavor without turning it into soda. And you just made that at home. I mean, it's so easy. Look at that, nice and sparkly. Just mix it up. Serve that over ice, and you've got fruit flavor in your bottle. I've also got another way here. I've made some ice cubes, and I cut up some kiwi and some peaches just because that was what was in season for us right now, but you could change it up with pineapple or a little bit of lime and lemon, maybe some strawberries, and I've made ice cubes out of them. And the reason that I'm doing this instead of adding it to the water directly is if you let the fruit sit in the water for too long, the flavor starts to get a little bit overbearing, kind of too much fruit. So by doing it in the ice cube trays, you can really regulate that flavor a lot easier, and it looks really pretty. So I've got peaches and I've got kiwi. I'm just going to mix them up. This would be super cute for a dinner party if you're entertaining guests. I'm going to fill my glass with a bunch because I like a lot of ice. And then add your water. And it couldn't be easier, but it just gives it a little bit more of an exotic flavor punch. And you can make that in just a couple of hours. So 2 super easy ways to make fruit flavored water. You're watching eHow.com. I'm Chef Maria with EatCleaner.com. See you soon.